Hello and welcome everyone. I'm Dr. Rudresh, a licensed chiropractor at AcuSTAR Wellness, and you're watching the AcuSTAR Wellness channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of chiropractic adjustments. Make sure to like this video, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more wellness content. Now, let's get started. Today we're going to talk about something that many of you have been asking about, chiropractic adjustments. We will walk through what chiropractic care is, demonstrate an adjustment, address common concerns, and discuss who can benefit from it. So, let's get started. So, what is chiropractic? My answer: chiropractic care is a healthcare profession. Chiropractic focuses on disorders of the musculoskeletal system and the nervous system, with a particular emphasis on the spine. Chiropractic has a rich history dating back to the late 19th century. Since then, it's been providing people worldwide with a natural, non-invasive approach to health and well-being. A chiropractic adjustment is a procedure where a trained chiropractor like myself applies controlled force to a joint of the spine. The aim is to improve spinal motion and the body's physical function. There are various types of adjustments, including the diversified technique, the activator method, and the Gonstead adjustment, each offering specific benefits. Now, you might be wondering, who exactly can benefit from chiropractic adjustments? The great news is, almost everyone can. Chiropractic care is not limited by age or fitness level. Whether you're an athlete, a busy professional, a senior citizen, or even a child, you could potentially benefit from chiropractic adjustments. People with a variety of health conditions can also find relief through chiropractic care. These range from 1. Chronic back pain, neck pain, and headaches. 2. To more specific conditions such as sciatica, a nerve condition that causes pain down the leg. 3. Scoliosis, a condition where the spine curves to one side. Even if you don't have a specific condition or symptoms, chiropractic adjustments can be a part of maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Regular adjustments can help ensure proper alignment, increase mobility, and promote overall well-being. Let's move on to the part we've all been waiting for, a live demonstration of a chiropractic adjustment. Every adjustment is tailored to the individual's needs, but this should give you a good general idea of what to expect. The first step is always to make sure the patient is comfortable. We position the patient in a specific way to optimize the adjustment. Then, I'll locate the specific area that needs adjustment. I'll place my hands on that area and apply a sudden, controlled force. You might have heard a popping sound. That's perfectly normal during an adjustment. It's simply gas bubbles being released from the joints. It's similar to when you crack your knuckles. We've discussed what chiropractic adjustments are and even demonstrated one, but let's talk about a question that's likely on many of your minds: are chiropractic adjustments safe and effective? It's important to dispel a common myth that chiropractic adjustments are dangerous. This is simply not true. Chiropractors undergo extensive training to ensure they perform adjustments safely and effectively. As for effectiveness, there's ample research supporting the benefits of chiropractic care. Numerous studies have found that chiropractic adjustments can effectively treat conditions like lower back pain, neck pain, and headaches. They can also improve function, promote mobility, and support overall well-being. Dr. Rudresh, immediately after an adjustment, many people feel a sense of relief and increased mobility. You might also experience a rush of energy, and some people even report improved sleep. However, it's important to note that some individuals may feel slight discomfort or soreness following their first few adjustments. This is completely normal and usually subsides within 24 to 48 hours. As for the long-term benefits, regular chiropractic adjustments can lead to improved posture, enhanced function, better athletic performance, and a higher quality of life. It can be an integral part of a proactive approach to health and wellness. Choosing the right chiropractor is crucial for your journey towards better health. There are several factors to consider. First, check their credentials. Dr. Rudresh has all professional credentials vertical bar. Chiropractors should be licensed and have undergone the necessary training in their field. Next, consider their experience. Chiropractic care involves a variety of techniques and approaches, and a chiropractor with years of experience will have a wider range of skills. Do you know that Dr. Rudresh has international style training and experience in chiropractic? He has also worked for American hospitals remotely. Lastly, you should feel comfortable with your chiropractor. The best healthcare experiences are built on mutual respect and good communication. We've covered a lot of ground today, haven't we? We've understood what chiropractic care is, we've demonstrated an adjustment, addressed common concerns, and discussed who can benefit from it. I hope this video provided a comprehensive understanding of chiropractic adjustments and their benefits. Remember, this is just a starting point. For personalized advice, always consult a trained professional. In conclusion, chiropractic adjustments, performed by trained professionals, are a safe and effective treatment method. They can provide relief, improve function, and contribute to your overall well-being. Visit our website, www.acustar.in, for more information. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others who might benefit, and subscribe to the AcuSTAR Wellness YouTube channel for more health-related content. Until next time, take care.